is a larger issue, but with the UK, it looks like we are on making big progress, and there seems to be a lot of complementarities between the two economies. There's a lot of talk about technology-based trade now, and what do you think is the real prospect of this, and especially given that the UK is in many ways desperate to start afresh after Brexit, and I think for them India is the biggest market they can ever imagine, because of China is there, but because of the ideological tussle and the problem with Chinese authoritarian rule and all that, they're probably quite cagey about it. So it looks like the biggest post-Brexit opportunity, one was the US. They were looking for a bilateral with the US, and that I don't know how far they are able to make progress, but I think with India that will be huge. 1.4 billion market, they want more market access, but so do we. So your thoughts on this new project we are embarking on?
You're absolutely right. Both are service economies, that's their strength, and both UK and India want to move away the value chains away from China to other options, and this is something that is shared by the United States and the European Union. Under those circumstances, the possibility today of having an FTA is much higher, because earlier I do recall that one of the issues which held us up was the question of mobility, mode 4 of WTO as we call it, people to people, the ability of both sides to move freely for business, trade, etc. That is now no longer a problem post Brexit, because this is straight between UK and India, and we can always work out business visas, fast track visas. We already have in fact fast track visas. So this was one of the obstacles which have been worked out, and what is going in our favor, as you rightly pointed out earlier, was the very heavy Indian investment into UK. So it really is a two-way traffic.
And we create so many jobs in the UK, ma'am.
Exactly.
Thousands of British jobs are created by Indian companies.
Absolutely. So and big business is there, medium scale business is there, and now post Brexit there are so many opportunities for the British also to invest in India in tourism. We are opening up the northeast. Jammu and Kashmir, we are inviting investment. There is so much of investment opportunities all over India now. We are coming out of the pandemic. So I think this is really a time when I just hope that we can wrap it up in the 2 rounds. Normally an FTA takes 6-7 rounds. We've already had one. If you can wrap it up in the next 2 or 3 rounds, then by the end of the year, if you have an FTA, that would be very positive development.